Hello students, come to the class number 27. Class 27. Let us will discuss today also some 5 marks questions. What we have studied on the transformation formula for the compound angles, that sum and difference formula and the product formula. On that you will go for the some more examples of a 5 marks questions here. First I recall the formula, students. Cos C plus cos D, both cos C minus cos D, both sine with negative sign, you know very well. Once C plus D by 2, once C minus D by 2, once C plus D by 2, once C minus D by 2, sin C plus sin D, first sine, then cos, sin C minus sin D, first cos, then sine. So these are the sum and difference formula. We have a product also. Sin x into cos y, 1 by 2 into sin of x plus y plus sin of x minus y, cos x into sin y, sin of x plus y minus of sin of x minus y. Similarly, we have a cos x into cos y and sin x into sin y. Let us see, we'll go for the next examples. In the last class, the cos 4x calculated. The last example is cos of 4x we have calculated. Now let us, we'll go for the today, the next example. Prove that cos 6x equal to cos 4x we have calculated in the previous class. Cos 4x equal to, we have proved 1 minus 8 sin square x into cos square x. In the last example, cos 4x we have calculated. See, this is multiple angles. Cos 6x equal to 32 times of cos 6x minus 48 times of cos 4x plus 18 cos square x minus 1 plus 18 cos square x minus of 1. So this is also in terms of cos. This is in terms of sin and cos. We have used in terms of sin formula we have taken. This is in terms of cos. See the difference between this and this. For this we have taken cos 4x we have taken as a cos of 2 times of 2x we have taken. This is in terms of sin we have substituted 1 minus 2 sin square x, that formula we have substituted. But this is cos of 6x is there. Cos 6x is there. You have to prove in terms of cos it is. See, cos 6x is equal to, shall I write this as a cos 6x is written as 2 times of 3x in the form of 2x where x is a 3x. It is in the form of cos 2x where x is a 3x. It becomes 6x. See the cos 2x, you have 4 different types of formulas here. 4 forms of this cos 2x. Cos square x minus sin square x. One is in terms of sin, 1 minus 2 sin square x. One is in terms of cos, 2 cos square x minus 1. One is in terms of tan, 1 minus tan square x divided by 1 plus of tan square x. So these are the 4 different forms of Tell me the students here, which one here you have to substitute? In the cos 4x you have substituted this form. Here you have to prove in terms of cos. Shall I go for in terms of cos? 2 cos square x minus 1, where x is what here? Where x is what here? 3x. This 6x we have converted in the form of 2x. 2 into theta, where theta is a 2x. Sorry, 3x. So this is 2 cos square of 3x minus 1. See the formula, this one? In terms of cos we have converted. Because we have to prove in terms of cos. In terms of cos we have taken 2 cos square 3x minus of 1. 2 cos square 3x minus of 1. This is equal to 2. What is cos 3x? 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x. Whole square minus 1. You need minus 1 also. Therefore, taken 2 cos square x minus 1 form. In terms of cos form, you need this minus 1 also here. Cos 3x is a 4 cos cube x minus 3x. Square as it is. Is it clear all of you? Cos 3x formula 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x. Sin 3x 3 sin x minus 4 sin cube x. 3 sin x minus 4 sin cube x. Cos 3x we have calculated, sin 3x we have calculated, tan 3x also we have calculated. Here we have used cos 3x formula. This is cos 6x is there. This 6x is converted as a 2 into 3x. 2 into 3x it becomes 6x. So it is converted in the form of cos 2x form, where x is a 3x here. Where x is a 3x. So these are the 4 types of different forms of the cos 2x. You may write in these 4 forms of cos 2x here. Here we have taken the cos form because we have to prove in terms of cos. Here we have taken in terms of cos form 2 cos square x minus 1, where x is a 3x. And then cos 3x formula substituted here, 4 cos cube x minus 3x. Square is there, taken square, minus of 1 here, expand it. This is equal to 2 times of a minus b whole square, 16 cos 6x, 16 cos 6 of x, 4 cos cube, 4 cos cube whole square, that is 16 cos 6x plus 9 cos square x plus 9 cos square x minus 2ab, 2 into 4 into 3, minus of, how much it is? 24 cos cube into cos x, cos 4x. Is it clear? Minus 2ab, a square plus b square minus 2ab, 4 into 2 into 3, that is 24. Cos cube into cos x, cos 4x, close the bracket, minus this minus 1 as it is, take 2 inside the bracket, you will get the result. 32 cos 6 x plus 18 cos square x minus 48 cos 4x minus of 1. You write according to the order, highest degree. Cos 6x minus 48 cos 4x plus 18 cos square of x minus of 1, plus 18 cos square of x minus of 1. So this is your RHS, students here. This is multiple angles, in terms of multiple angles. You may convert in terms of multiples. So you will get, this is the RHS term. This is the RHS of the first example, students here. We have taken in the form of multiple angles. This 6x we have written as a 2 into 3x, multiple of angles. 6x, 2 times of 3x. Then this 3x. See, this is a cos 2x. Cos 2x has a 4 different forms of formulas here. First one in terms of cos square x, sin square x, in terms of sin square, in terms of sin, and in terms of cos, and in terms of tan. Here we have considered in terms of cos 2 cos square x minus 1, where x is a 3x here. Where x is a 3x. Then this is what? 2 cos square 3x minus 1, cos 3x. This is the formula of cos 3x. Here we have substituted 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x, cos 3x formula. Then a minus b whole square it is, then expanded a minus b whole square, a square 4 cos cube x 16 cos x, b square 9 cos square x minus 2ab 2 into 4 into 3 24 cos cube into cos x cos 4x minus of 1. This 2 inside the bracket, taken inside the bracket. This is 32 cos 6x, 18 cos square x and minus 48 cos 4 of x minus of 1. This minus 1 as it is. Then writing according to the highest order degree, 6, 48 cos 4x, 6 and 4 and then 2, the powers highest order power. So this is your RHS here. This is the RHS. Now come to the next example. Let us come to the next example. Now see the next one. See the students. Next, if sin x equal to 3 by 5, cos y equal to minus 12 by 13, where x and y both lie in second quadrant, Now see what he asked. Both lie in second quadrant. Find the value of. He asked only sin of x plus y only. So in the according to the NCERT syllabus, he asked in the textbook only sin of x plus y. Here I am giving all sin of x minus y also. Let us calculate sin of x minus y, cos of x plus y and cos of x minus y. But in the textbook he is given only this sin of x plus y. He asked only sin of x plus y. Here I am given the 3 sin of x minus y also and cos of x plus y, cos of x minus y also he is given here. Let us see the students here. What he is given? First try to understand the given question. Sin x given. How much it is? 3 by 5. Cos y given. You have to find sum of x and y. Difference of x and y. Again sum and difference of cos. See, sin x and cos y given. You know what you required to find a sin x plus y, sin x minus y, cos x plus y, cos of x minus y. Let us see. Sin x and cos y is given here. So you have to find the remaining the functions cos x and sin y you have to calculate, and then you have to calculate one by one sin of x plus y. See what is given here first. Sin x given. Sin x equal to how much it is? 3 by 5. And one more value, cos y is given. It is, see, sin is positive given, cos is negative given. Both x and y are given in the form, in which quadrant it is? Second quadrant. You know very well, sin is positive and cos is negative in the second quadrant. Yes, sin positive and cos is negative in the second quadrant. Now you have to find the cos x and sin y using these values. Cos x equal to, directly I will take 1 minus sin square x. We know that cos x equal to under root of, we know that cos x equal to plus or minus 1 minus of sin square of x. Directly here I am taking this identity, you know very well, cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to 1. Using this first identity, here I have taken cos x equal to plus or minus. Tell me, you should take positive or negative here. This is cos value finding here. In the second quadrant, this cos positive or negative? Negative it is. So therefore negative 1 minus, what is sin x? 3 by 5. Here given sin x value, you will get cos x. What is sin x? 3 by 5. Square of that one, 9 by 25. Directly substituting here. Directly substituting. Simplify this one. 25 minus 9, 16. 16 by this 25. Taking LCM 25. 25 minus 9, 16. This is 16 by 25 root of. Therefore, cos x equal to whatever it may be. The plus r. This already you should take negative. It is plus or minus 4 by 5. That should be you have to take negative only. So this is 4 by 5. It is minus of 4 by 5. Plus or minus 4 by 5, then again you should take negative value only. Here first starting only you have taken the plus or minus here, negative value here. There is no consideration. Once again positive plus or minus here. You have starting only you have taken negative value. It is in the plus or minus. You have chosen the negative value. It is minus of 4 by 5. Because of cos is negative in the second quadrant. Now similarly, let us find sin y here. Sin y equal to plus or minus 1 minus of cos square y. Same formula, the identity, using the identity. Sin y, it is in terms of y. This is in terms of x. Here the angle is x and here the angle is y. Then sum we are finding x plus y and x minus y. Sum and difference you are calculating. Sin y it is. Now tell me, this sin y in the second quadrant, is it positive or negative? You should take positive value or negative? Yes, positive. In the second quadrant, sin is positive here. So here considering the positive value, then root of 1 minus, what is cos y here? Minus 12 by 13. Square of that one, 144 by 169. 12 by 13 whole square. Directly substituting here, 144 by 169. Let us simplify the students. Sin y equal to positive it is 169 minus of 144, 25 it is. Again 5 by 13 it is. Don't take again once again plus or minus 5 by 13 because already you have taken positive only here. So therefore 5 by 13 it is. So therefore is it sin y positive? Yes, positive in the second quadrant. Therefore sin y is equal to 5 by 13. So you get sin x cos x, sin y and cos y. These two values are given here. So these two values you have calculated here. Now let us, you may find the whatever he given one by one. First one, only that in the textbook he asked only sin of x plus y. So instead of practice I have given the remaining also difference of sin and sum and difference of cos also given here. Let us see one by one. First one, sin of x plus y. You know very well what is the formula of sin of x plus y? Sin x into cos y plus cos x into sin y. Sin of x plus y is equal to sin x into cos y plus cos x into sin of y. Substitute the values here. You have sin x, you have cos y, and you have calculated cos of x and sin of y you have calculated. Substitute these values here and simplify. You will get the result. Sin of x plus y is equal to, what is sin x? 3 by 5. 3 by 5. What is cos y? These two are given here. Minus 12 by 13. Minus 12 by 13 plus of. What is cos x? Minus 4 by 5. Minus 4 by 5. What is sin y? Plus 5 by 13. Simplify the students here. Here only I am simplifying. Let us see. This is 65, 65 in the denominator it is 5 into 13, 5 into 13, 65. So this is how much it is, minus 36 by 65 plus minus 20 by 65, 65 is LCM here, 65 is LCM, minus 36 and minus 20 it is minus of 56, minus 56 by 65, minus of 56 by 65. This is the first one. Let us, I will go for the second one. Sin of x minus y. See the second one. Sin of x minus y. Sin x cos y minus cos x into sin y. Sin x cos y minus cos x sin y. So you know when sum, when plus plus, when difference it is This is the, for cos opposite sign, you have a cos opposite sign. Substitute here also the values, these values. Sin x 3 by 5. Sin x is 3 by 5. Cos y minus 12 by 13. Minus of cos x minus 4 by 5. You may simplify it, you will get it. Minus 4 by 5. And sin y 5 by 13. Simplify this one. Minus 36 by 65 minus 20 by 65. Shall I write directly? Minus of minus plus 20 divided by 65. 65 LCM again. Minus 36 plus 20 minus 16 by 65. Yes, 65 is LCM here. This is minus 36, this is plus 20. Then 65 minus 36 plus 20 minus of 16 by 65. Let us will go for the cos sum and cos difference. Similarly, I hope you have completed the students here, or you try for these two also. Let us, I think you are calculating the third one also. Those who have completed, you may calculate next cos of x plus y. See the third one, cos x plus y, cos of x plus y, cos x, cos y, opposite sign here, sin x, sin y. See, this is the difference between the cos sum and sin sum. So for the sin, same sign here, minus it is, but for cos, opposite sign here. If it is plus minus, if it is minus plus it is, like that you should remember the students here. Then substitute here, therefore cos of x plus y is equal to, what is cos x? Minus 4 by 5. Minus 4 by 5. What is cos y? Minus 12 by 13. Minus 12, because these two are negatives. Cos x and y both are in the second quadrant, both should be negative, and these two are positive values, definitely minus of. What is sin x? Given it is 3 by 5. What is sin y? See the sin y, 5 by 13. These two are positive and these two values are negative because of second quadrant. X and y are both in second quadrant, they should be negative only. Then simplify this one. Minus of minus plus 48 by 65. 4 into 12, 48 by 65, minus of minus plus. This minus as it is. Then 15 by 65. Again 65 LCM. 48 minus 15, 33 by 65. 33 by 65. So go through this fourth one here. I am not calculating the fourth one. Make it yourself, oh students. This fourth one you may calculate yourself. Here I am not calculating the fourth one. You go through this one. Same type it is. Such types also he may ask the questions. So this is what? Cos of x plus y and cos of x minus y. Here I am not calculating this cos of x minus y, students. Try to complete it yourself, this cos of x minus y. Then I will go for the next example. We'll come to the next example. See the next example. Come to the next example. Prove that today what we are calculating, the 5 marks questions. So for the point of examination, 5 marks questions. Prove that cos x plus cos y whole square, cos x plus cos y whole square plus of sin x minus sin y whole square is equal to 4 times of cos square of x plus y by 2. 4 times of cos square of x plus y by 2. I hope you have completed that fourth one, cos of x minus y. Come to the next example. Now see the next example, students. I hope you have completed that one. That last fourth one I have not calculated, cos of x minus y. I think you have completed. Come to the LHS of the next example. Let us, I will write LHS. What is your LHS? Cos x plus cos y whole square, sin x minus sin y whole square. See, when you have a squares, I think you might be thinking like that, a plus b whole square, a minus b whole square. You may expand it like that. You are thinking, don't expand like that. A plus b whole square and a minus b whole square here. Within the square bracket, you substitute that cos c plus cos d formula, sin c minus sin d formula within the bracket. Then you take separately that squares here. So cos c plus cos d, both cos c plus d by 2, c minus d by 2. Here applied the formula here, cos c plus cos d formula. Both cos, you know. This square as it is. Here applied cos c plus cos d plus of sin c minus sin d. You know very well, sin c minus sin d formula. What is sin c minus sin d? First cos, then sin. First cos c plus d by 2. C plus d by 2. Then sin c minus d by 2. Here c is x, d is y. Square is there. Let us take that square. Square is there. That square. Here I am removing this one already, you know. That cos c plus cos d. See the students here, what we have done, just we have applied cos c plus cos d formula and sin c minus sin d formula within the bracket, that whatever the square is there, we have taken squares as it is here. In the next step, you may take that square inside. So square of all the terms are multiple terms here. Like that it is 2 times of a, b, c whole square. You may square it. 4a square, b square, c square, multiples it is. So this is 4 times of cos square of x plus y by 2 into cos square of x minus y by 2. You see what you have to prove also, that RHS is also important here. According to that you have to prove here. Plus, this is also same type, this type, 4 times of cos square x plus y by 2 into sin square of x minus y by 2, square of this one. So just we have taken the squares here. And now see the terms. Is there any term, common term? Here 2 terms here. Tell me which terms are common here. Is it 4 cos square x plus y by 2, 4 cos square x plus y by 2, is it a common term? Let us take common outside. 4 times of cos square of x plus y by 2 taken common here. Then you write the remaining term. What remain here? Cos square x minus y by 2 plus, this is taken common here, sin square of x minus y by 2. I hope you are getting the students here. I hope you are getting. So the next, this is equal to 4 times of cos square of x plus y by 2. What is this? What is this? Is it a cos square theta plus sin square theta? What is cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to 1, where the angles are same, x minus y by 2, x minus y by 2. This is what? Is it becomes 1 here? So therefore this is equal to 1 into this much, 4 cos square, 4 times of cos square of x plus y by 2. Is it your RHS, students, here? This is your RHS. 4 cos square of x plus y by 2. This is identity here. We are getting directly. So therefore, you don't expand it. If you get expanding cos square x plus cos square, you don't have in terms of cos squares sum and difference formula. So before that, you may applying the cos c plus cos d, and here sin c minus sin b. Sin c minus sin d. Then one common term taking outside. Then this becomes the identity here. It becomes 1 it is. The next. I hope you have completed. Then come to the next one. Come to the next one. Now see the next example. Similar type. You may calculate that one. Similar type. You go through the similar one. See next. Show that or prove that cos x minus cos y whole square, this is also same type, plus sin x minus sin y whole square. See, cos x minus cos y whole square plus sin x minus sin y whole square is equal to 4 times of sin square of x minus y by 2. Same type it is. Calculate the students here yourself. Calculate yourself. Same type this one. This is also the same type. Take LHS. Taking LHS. LHS is equal to cos x minus cos y whole square plus sin x minus of sin y whole square. This is the LHS here. Proving RHS. Same similar type it is. Expanding cos c minus cos d formula apply. This is in the form of cos c minus cos d. This is in the form of sin c minus sin d formula. You know very well what is cos c minus cos d. Both sign with negative sign. What it is? Both sign with negative sign. This is what first cos then sin. First cos then sin it is. First cos then sin it is. Similar type it is. Expand it here. So this is equal to see both sin once c plus d by 2, c is x, d is y, you know, into sin of x minus y by 2 square is there. Let us write down that square as it is. If cube, you may take cube. If whatever it may be the power. If power is 4 you may take like that. Plus of sin c minus sin d. First cos then sin. First cos then sin square whole square it is. Let us, you may expand this one here. Take that square inside a bracket. These are the product terms. All the terms product. Minus 2 square 4. Minus 2 square. Square of this one. Sin square x plus y by 2. Sin square of x minus y by 2. Taking that squares, whatever it may be. If cube, you can take in cube. Similarly, 4 cos square x plus y by 2 sin square x minus y by 2. Squares taken there. Whatever the squares here taken. What is the common term here also? See the similarly here what is the common term? This 4 is common. And is it this sin square x minus y by 2? This sin square x minus y by 2 same term? Is it possible to take common? Take outside 4 times of sin square of x minus y by 2 taken outside here. Write down the remaining term. What remains? This is sin square of x plus y by 2. Sin square of x plus y by 2. Then plus cos square of x plus y by 2. Is it remain? Remaining these 4 times of sin square of x minus y by 2. What is this? Sin square theta plus cos square theta. This is the identity here. Is it theta is same? It is. Angle is same? It is. X plus y by 2. So therefore this is what it is. 1 it is. Because of cos square theta plus sin square theta equal to 1. So what remain here? So therefore this is equal to 4 times of sin square of x minus y by 2. Is it your RHS? This is your RHS, students here. See that this is our RHS. This is your RHS. Same type, both the examples are same type. I think you are getting the students. Both the examples are similar type here. The next I will go for the next one. Next example. Let us see the next example. I hope you have completed those you have completed. Come to the next example. Let us similar type. These two examples are similar examples. Now see the next one. See this one. This question once asked for the 5 marks in the examination. Sin of 7x plus sin of 5x. He is given like that only in the form of brackets. Sin of 9x. Sin of 3x divided by cos 7x plus cos 5x plus of cos 9x plus cos of 3x into the bracket cos 9x plus cos of 3x is equal to tan of 6x is equal to tan of 6x. He may give like that in terms of without bracket, first according to the order 9x, 7x, 5x, 3x. He may give like that also, but in the textbook he is given like that only here, sin 7x plus sin 5x plus of sin 9x plus sin 3x divided by cos 7x plus cos 5x cos 9x plus of cos of 3x. Let us say LHS is equal to, this is also taking LHS, sin 7x plus sin 5x plus sin 9x sin of 3x divided by cos 7x plus cos 5x plus of cos of 9x plus cos of 3x. Just apply the formula. Apply the formula, just apply the formula of sin C plus sin D, sin C plus sin D, cos C plus cos D, cos C plus cos D. Apply the formula. This is equal to first sin, then cos, this is sum. Similarly, first sin, then cos, first sin, then cos. Similarly in the denominator also, cos C plus cos D, cos C plus cos D, both the forms, both cos C plus D by 2 both cos, here also both cos simplification, 2 times of sin of 12x by 2, 6x, 12x by 2, 6x, next into cos of x it is, plus 2 times of, this is also 12x, 6x it is, this is how much it is, 9x minus 3x, 6x, 6x by 2, 3x, cos of 3x, whole divided by 2 cos 12 it is 6x, sorry it is minus it is, plus minus C plus D by 2, 2x it is, x it is, plus 2 cos, this is 9x plus 3x, 12x it is, 6x it is, and this is 9x, 6x divided by 2, it is 3x here. What is the common term in the numerator? Is it 2 sin x common here? Taking 2 sin x common, 2 sin 6x common here. Write down the remaining term, cos x plus cos 3x divided by, in the denominator 2 cos 6x common here, 2 cos 6x common here, 2 cos 6x. What is the remaining term? Cos x plus cos 3x, cos x plus cos of 3x. Is it cos x plus cos of 3x get cancelled? Products it is, and these two get cancelled here. What remain here? Sin 6x by cos 6x. What remain? Sin 6x by cos 6x. What is sin 6x by cos 6x? Is it a tan 6x? This is your RHS. This is your RHS it is. So this is the tan of 6x. This is your RHS students here. This is 5 marks question it is. Once asked in the annual examination, the same type he may give like that also, 9x, 7x. At the time you should arrange that even terms here, even you should get the even terms, 7x plus 5x, 6x, like that you should get it, like that you should get the terms, like that you have to arrange the terms here. So this is your tan of 6x. So with this I conclude the today's class students here. I continue in the next class. The same type for some more examples of 5 marks. Let us have continue in the next class. Thank you students. Thank you.